Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Near Protocol because more fear is coming and most people will get wiped out from this fear. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. I'm just simply here to give you all the news according to the charts, trying to see what everybody else is up to. You know, are they looking for price to go up? Are they looking for price to go down? Because we can actually tell from the price action that we see on price chart. So now let's talk about it real quick, because first we do have a price prediction here for Near Protocol. You guys can see that our expectation was for this cryptocurrency to go up. It went higher, but it fell short on the 16th and the 17th of March of hitting our ultimate TP price. And that's one thing that we as traders or investors can't control, is exactly where price is going to go. It came close enough to where it could at least gotten maybe 10.25% move from this prediction. If not, things happen, because it wasn't that much time that price actually stayed up there around $1.50. You maybe had a day, 2 days, and then after that, the market in Near Protocol has been in a severe downturn. So that is where the fear is going to come from. Because most people still think that cryptocurrency is a great option to come in and purchase and preserve wealth, or at least try to ride out any volatility, and that may not be the case for Near Protocol. Let me show you guys what I mean. First thing we're going to do is get rid of these sell pockets here into the market in Near Protocol and create new ones, okay? Because as this downturn has occurred, there are new areas to where sellers are. Okay, so let's go ahead and document this area here first as a sell pocket. We're going to run another one right here as a sell pocket for Near Protocol. Let's get rid of this buy pocket here, and we can now get rid of this buy pocket in Near Protocol, because the last time it served as a buy pocket, those buyers obviously retreated. They ran away. They didn't want to come and buy it again because they only held it for 1 day, and then the next day, today, price in Near Protocol fell completely through that pocket. So yes, instead of that being a buy pocket, we're going to create this area right here as a sell pocket. Okay, so now the next option will either be for us looking for price in Near Protocol to find a bounce here, or this bigger pocket that price hasn't even been yet, in between $1.09 to $1.02. So we can definitely see that cryptocurrency run in between that pocket. Take a look at this on the 2-day chart. So we have 51 minutes left on the current 2-day bar, and look at it. Weakness is definitely here on the 2-day. I don't think that this bar is going to change in the next 51 minutes, but if it does, that will have to alter our prediction if price lifts off the low. Here it is on the 3. We have a day and 1 hour left, and I'm looking for price to come to one of these 2 buy pockets there. Here it is on the 4. Very, very weak here when you combine this 4-day bar with this one. Okay, so we still got 2 days and an hour, so let's give the market a little bit more time to cook. But that's definitely some weakness there on the 4. Here's Near Protocol on the 5. That's the biggest concern right here I see on the 5-day chart. It's this great move up, and then immediately the reaction of a great move down. Here it is for the week. 2 weeks. Here it is for 3 weeks. Look at this for the month. So we've got a couple more days left, and that looks weak there too. So all in all, I think we see a whole lot of weakness on multiple time frames, and we can actually see, when we look at this on the hourly chart, where do we expect to see some momentum of buyers? And I've already told you, I'm looking for them to try to come in here or down here. So this is where our focus of prediction is going to be. We want to focus on those 2 areas of buying into the market for Near Protocol. Here it is on the 3 months chart. You want to get a longer term view of the market, and we're definitely at an area that we need to see price bounce. We're here. Off of this exchange, Binance price in Near Protocol hasn't gone no lower than 52 cents, 52.5 cents. I'm not saying that we're going to hit that area now, but given this 3 months price chart, there's definitely no strength being seen in the market, considering the last 3 months we've seen this price bar right there. That there is weakness. Okay, so we can still see a bigger move to the downside, even though I don't see that considering the amount of volume and this very small spread in Near Protocol. These people who bought back in 2023 from October 2022 all the way to October 2020. So the whole year, you guys see the majority of the market participants were buying around that dollar area. I'm suspecting they're going to try to do that again. So let me run this back on the daily chart. And I'm going to go ahead and input our prediction of where we suspect the market in Near Protocol is going to go. And we're going to test, or I'm sorry, our target is going to be this first buy pocket, high or low, 5.85% at the high, 3.8% on the, I'm sorry, 3.48% at the high, 5.6% on the low. Then our second target is going to be the second pocket, 7.3 at the high to 12.9 on the low. Okay. So yeah, I think we're just going to target those two areas for Near Protocol. Save it right there. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.